What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. The past 4 days have been pretty wild. Sometime last week I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace and something caught my eye. I found a really nice set of wheels and I was like, whatever, I'm gonna just mess with the guy and see what he says. I ended up getting them down to a price that I was really happy with, and I would have been dumb to not go and pick up these wheels. The wheels ended up being all the way in North Carolina, but did that stop me? Heck no. So immediately we hopped in the car and drove all the way to North Carolina. It ended up being about a 10-hour drive there and a 10-hour drive back, but the drive back was beautiful because the sun was actually out. We drove there in the night, and then when we were driving back it was daytime, so we got to see all the mountains and stuff. That's what you guys saw at the beginning of the video. The guy I bought them from was really cool. He actually has a 6.0 on a 14-inch lift, 26x16, specialty forged wheels and 40-inch tires. I'll link his information in the description. You guys check out his Instagram and stuff. He's a pretty cool guy. Here are the wheels that I picked up, 26x16, hot styles. You never know how big 26x16s actually are until they're not on a tire. The ones that are mounted on my truck right now, they look pretty big, but those just look massive. Now they are black, which some people will not like, but I was thinking, man, I'll just change it up a little bit. I like the directional style. These are actually true directional. All of them spin the same way. And I like the hot style company, so I was willing to give them a shot. Now, as you can see, they're not mounted on my truck right now. They're sitting in the bed. Why is that, Gabe? Well, it turns out it is actually really hard to dismount boggers off wheels, because the plan was I was going to take my boggers off these wheels, put them on the new wheels, and then put the old wheels on Kaylee's truck. I was gonna buy tires for the old wheels and put them on Kaylee's truck. But we have spent the past 3 days trying to find somebody to dismount those wheels and tires. Nobody can do them. Well, kind of. They can do it, but they all are afraid and they can't guarantee that they won't scratch the old wheels up. And I was not really about that. But do not worry, I still have a plan. Our plan is to put every wheel and tire setup we have up for sale. Kaylee's 22x14s on 38s, my 26x16s on 44s, and also the 26x16 hot styles I just picked up. Our plan is whichever one sells first will determine what we do. So if mine sell, then I'll take the hot styles, put some tires on them and put them on my truck. If Kaylee's sell, then we'll take the hot styles, put new tires on them and put them on Kaylee's truck. And if the hot styles sell, well, somebody's getting a good deal because I'm still selling them for way cheaper than what they would cost to buy them for. And I still have a backup plan just in case none of the wheels sell in like a week or something. Then I have another plan to get those wheels on my truck. I definitely want to know what you guys think, so comment down below what truck you think we should put the new wheels on. Whether we put them on Kaylee's truck, which I think would look really nice, or we ditch the chrome and put black wheels on my truck, which I'm not really sure if I like the chrome or I like black more. Comment down below what you guys think. So this is Logan's wife's build. There's her Instagram so you guys can go follow the build. It's a 24 valve Cummins dually. I'm not sure exactly how tall it is, but it's a very tall full coilover suspension lift. They did all the lift. Logan builds lifts, as you guys know. It's got this really cool 4-link that actually mounts to the top of the axle in the rear. It's got 22-inch fuel wheels and 40-inch Fury tires. These are 15.5 inches wide on a dually, which is insane. It's massive. And as you guys saw when we were driving it, it's got an Nv5600 transmission. This is the cleanest second-gen dually out there. Well, almost.
Bullshit.
Now we're gonna go drop off the dually at the tint shop, get it all tinted up. We out here breaking everybody's necks. I literally got like 7 messages on the ride over here. Oh my god, I just saw you and Logan. I just saw you and Logan. This is a sick ass Hellcat. I like this color. It looks like on this side they're gonna be doing some like camo. It's gonna be pink on that side and camo on this side. That'd be pretty cool. Dropped off Logan back at the shop. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get some food and then head home. Y'all better stay tuned. This week we're gonna be installing something really rowdy on the truck. And it's gonna be pretty awesome. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.